Gamers, have you ever thought about making your own video games? Well, if you have, let's talk about that. Because if you've got a passion for playing games, then making games might just be the right fit for you. Hi, I'm Dan, I'm the games design lecturer here at OCAD, and I could be your future games design teacher, lecturer, tutor. I run several units and assignments that get you into the roles of game developers, such as 3D modelers, animators, and game designers. And maybe at this point it already sounds pretty interesting, you know, working in games, studying game development. Well, let's break down exactly what you'll be learning with me. We do game designs, and we break down the theories of game design documents and everything about making a game from step 1 to step 100. Everything you need to know, every part of the industry covered in our units. We also do 3D modeling, and we use software such as 3ds Max, industry standard software that is used by AAA companies across the world, including game classics that everybody knows such as Ubisoft with their Assassin's Creed series, and Rockstar Games, and many, many more. But if you don't want to work in the big industry, that's fine, I've got you covered too. We also cover Blender. This is for independent developers that have a passion project that you want to see come to life. We cater to that, and we're going to open everything up to the widest range of opportunities just for you. In fact, all of these units are handpicked in order to give you the widest range of career choices from this. If you want to work in a AAA industry and become a 3D artist or an animator, we got you covered. We can teach you all the software and all the practical and theory behind that. If you want to become an independent game developer, you can do that too, as well as game design and much, much more. Each student gets one-to-one support for both their theory and their practical work, to ensure that you feel comfortable learning at whatever pace you find fit, whether that's part-time or full-time. Meaning that we will get you ready to make the games and animations of tomorrow. And that starts today. Find out more information by clicking our link and visiting our website to see the full details of this course. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the start of the new school year.